Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. That gets you into the Control Center for assistive tools. Once there, enable the Accessibility shortcut so you can toggle features with the side key or a triple tap. This saves time. Make sure your phone is on the latest update because some features require the current OS. If you're using a custom launcher, grant the necessary permissions now so the accessibility services can run smoothly in the background. Next, you'll configure core features. Enable Voice Assistant for spoken feedback and set the speech rate so it's comfortable for you to follow. Then adjust magnifier and font size together. These change layout and readability, so tweak contrast and color filters for maximum clarity. For touch and interaction, activate the Assistant menu or switch access. Customize touch delay and sensitivity to prevent accidental taps. Once done, test each setting on your home screen to ensure the interaction matches your expectations. Finally, test the accessibility setup across calls, notifications, and commonly used apps so you confirm behavior in real scenarios. Save profiles or add quick setting tiles to switch configurations fast when tasks change. If something misbehaves, restart the phone first, then revoke and regrant the accessibility permissions for the affected service. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings only, not the whole device, because that restores defaults without deleting your data and often clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.